Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make gummy bears with Jell-O. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 3-ounce box of your favorite flavored gelatin, 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, and 1/3 cup of cold water. Don't forget a tiny bit of oil for your molds. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can focus on the fun parts of creating your delicious treats. Now let's get mixing. Pour 1/3 cup of cold water into a small saucepan. Sprinkle in the 2 packets of unflavored gelatin and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This step, called blooming, helps the gelatin dissolve evenly. After blooming, stir in your 1 3-ounce box of flavored gelatin until everything is well combined. This creates the base for your chewy, flavorful gummy bears. Next, gently heat your gelatin mixture over low heat. Stir continuously for about 5 to 8 minutes until all the gelatin crystals are completely dissolved. It's crucial not to let it boil, as this can affect the texture. Once the mixture is clear and smooth, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your lightly oiled gummy bear molds, filling each cavity evenly for perfect shapes. Finally, it's time for the magic to happen. Place your filled gummy bear molds into the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 20 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once set, gently pop your adorable gummy bears out of their molds. They should release easily. Store your delicious homemade treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Enjoy your sweet, chewy creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.